The personal home. There are many ways to earn money with digital marketing. Here are some ideas. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services in exchange for a commission. You can sign up for affiliate programs of companies that have products related to your niche market and promote them through your website, blog, or social networks. When people buy these products through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Sale of digital products. You can create and sell your own digital products, such as online courses, ebooks, templates, spreadsheets, among others. These products are easily distributed over the internet and can generate passive income. Consulting services. If you have digital marketing skills, you can offer consulting services to other companies or entrepreneurs. This includes SEO services, social media management, online advertising, content creation, and more. Online advertising. If you have a large audience on your social networks, blog, or website, you can sell advertising space to companies that want to reach your target audience. You can use platforms like Google AdSense to display relevant ads on your website. Content marketing. You can create quality, relevant content that attracts an audience, then monetize that content with advertising or related products. And email management services. Email marketing is one of the most effective forms of digital marketing. If you have email management skills, you can offer your services to companies that want to create effective email marketing campaigns. Application creation. If you have programming skills, you can create applications for companies or individuals. These apps can be paid or free, with the possibility to monetize through ads or in-app purchases. In short, there are many ways to make money with digital marketing. Choose one or more of these ideas and start building your online presence and monetizing it. Remember that digital marketing is an ever-evolving field, so always be learning and experimenting with new ideas. If you liked this type of content, don't forget to leave a like.